Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Indy, and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Today guys, I'll be sharing with you my thoughts on oil. I've been doing a lot of research in the space. I've been really getting down to it. So this is an overall chart of the oil market, crude oil. And as we can see here, it did a nice bounce of the 200 EMA. So this right here is a very bullish pattern, and I believe that oil is gonna really go up to the 80s, 85. Maybe it'll probably even hit $100 a barrel for 2022. I'm not saying it will, but a lot of analysts are saying it probably is going to hit $100. I think Bank of America is saying it's gonna hit at least 125. So we hoping that it doesn't get there, because we put gas in the car to go point A to point B, and it's gonna that's gonna make traveling a lot more expensive. But guys, there's a lot of demand coming this year for actually traveling. People catching flights, people road trip. This summer is gonna be very intense, very crazy when it comes to traveling, guys. So oil, it's gonna be a lot more expensive when it comes to the demand for oil at the time. And also, I don't think there's enough supply out there, so oil is going to really go up, unless Saudi Arabia just start pumping oil out of nowhere, which it has to go through an agreement in OPEC. So it gets very complicated, guys. But here are the couple oil stocks that I'm looking at, as far as ETFs too as well, that if you want to play it safe, I'll say the XOP is a it's an S&P 500 oil and gas, exploration and production ETF. Guys, this is the safest way to play this. In case there's any turnaround, you won't really lose a lot of money, because it has a lot of it's very diversified for you. So this is the one I would go first. If I want to go ahead and make a little bit of money, maybe it'll go up to the 100, 120, 110 area. Make a little money. Once this thing goes up. But this is the safest way to go about this oil trade. The next one is Exxon Mobil. Exxon Mobil is an actual individual company. It's not an overall ETF. So this one right here will be another individual plays. It's a lot more risk involved when you're playing with individual stocks. But Exxon Mobil is a pretty solid company. And you can actually buy this one, and wait for it to go up, because oil is going to be very expensive this year. So it's going to take you a lot more to pump your gas tank. It costs a lot more. And then we have Chevron here, guys. Chevron is another one too. You could buy this one as well. And wait for it to go up a little bit and make a little money here. And also, guys, the last one I have for you, it's very risky because it's a two time leverage ETF. This one, I have a story about this. This one was a 3-time leverage before oil crashed. So if you're looking at here, when oil crashed all the way down, let's see, when this right here happened, right, when oil tanked down, when coronavirus news broke out, this thing tanked all the way down. Oil crashed all the way down, and this 3-time leverage ETF crashed so hard that they had to take an extra leverage, because it was 3 times, now it's 2-time leverage, as you can see right here, guys. And I was in this space at the time when I came in. I didn't know anything. I was like, 3-time leverage, oil's down to the ground, let's buy this, make some money. Nah, I actually caught the falling knife. So be careful, guys, with this one. It's very risky, but we don't have anything like coronavirus is gonna happen again, but who knows how soon something crazy might happen. But this is a play that if you go in to take, guys, just be very careful, guys, because this is a 2-time leverage, so it gets a little volatile. If the market were to go down, it'll go down 2 times as far down, even more on the way down. But the upside, 2-time leverage, actually really good for this one. So if you do want to play a little risky, this will be your best bet, as it'll give you the most returns out of everything. So these are the plays, guys, I have for you guys right now. XOP is an overall ETF. It's the safest one you can actually add to your portfolio if you want to play the space, you want to play the oil space for 2022. And we have Exxon, and then we have Chevron, and then we have the Gush. So guys, this is the plays that I have for you guys right now, as of today. And this is the play I have here on oil, guys. So this is what I think about it, guys. So please don't take my word for it. do your own research, before you go into the space. But if you are really looking into oil, these are my plays as for 2022. Thank you.